Guys, today I will show you my new sandals. This is a collection by Clarks, so I'll show you the model here. So it is a Crestview EC. Okay, so open this now. So normally there's like a paper, but I tried it on at the store and the salesperson was not able to put back the paper. Okay, so you can see here it is a leather material on this upper part, and it's also with the velcro for easy adjustment. And very nice stitching as well. So this one is very soft and with the like a gel support for the heel. Okay, and also one thing I like here is this one is the stitching on this part, so you can see it's really durable. Also there's some stitching here on the side, but the stitching is not on the bottom part, but it's only on the edge of the bottom, so it's quite nice. And also the material, the sole material is quite good. This is a synthetic material, and softness, you can see it's really soft, so very comfortable to use on your feet. So what else? Very nice stitching as well on this leather part, and you can see there's a Clarks logo on this. So that's it. This is a Crestview EC by Clarks. Okay, thank you for watching.